Let's make some shrimp and crab ceviche. We're gonna use jalapenos and Serrano chili. Place them in your food chopper, smash. Put your jalapenos into a bowl. Next, we're gonna chop up some Roma tomatoes. Next, you wanna peel your cucumbers and de-seed them. To de-seed, all you need is a spoon and you're gonna run it right along the seed line. Half a red onion. We're going to use the chopper and we're going to chop up some imitation crab and shrimp. Take the tail off your shrimp and then put it into your chopper. Next, we're going to add lemon and lime juice. The lemon and lime juice will cook our shrimp. Season it with some salt, a little bit of Tajin, my secret ingredient, Valentina hot sauce. Give everything a good mix. If you want to add cilantro to this, you can. Also, avocados go in right before serving.
In the fridge for about 2 hours.
After a few hours, here's what you're left with. Enjoy!